This video is about cleaning up Revit temporary files in order to free up some memory in your hard drive. There are three types of files that we will clean today. These are journal files, collaboration cache files, and temporary files, including installation and general folders. In order to do that, we're going to use the Clean Revit Temporary Files button included in NonicaTab Pro. So let's jump into Revit. We're going to go to NonicaTab Pro and clean Revit temporary files. Basically, here we have the option to clean one of the three specific file types or to clean all of them. Just to go one by one, the first one is journal files. Journal files are TXT files that are automatically created by Revit, and it's like a log of all the action that happen in Revit. So if you don't actually have recent issues or fatal errors, you can delete those files as those won't be of any help. Then we have collaboration cache files and folders. Basically, if you use BIM 360 or BIM Collaborate Pro, when you use those models from the cloud, those are downloaded into your PC. So if you have some old models that you no longer use, this will be deleted as well. But if you are currently working using this type of files, this may require you to actually re-download the files when you open them in Revit. So that will be automatically done by Revit. And then the third action is delete temporary files and installation files. So basically, every time you install a Revit version, there are some installation files that are kept temporarily. So whenever you push an update, those files are used to actually install the update in that version. So if you choose these options, please have in mind that if you are going to update your current Revit version later on, you will probably need to download those installation files as well. And then additionally, temporary files. These temporary files means general temporary files in your computer. So these are files that are used by different software solutions in your computer and that are no longer used at the time. So this is also a way to free up some memory. So we're going to actually delete all the journal, collaboration, and type of files here. Great. So it took a few seconds and we have deleted 114 journal files, 0 collaboration folders deleted, and then 237 temporary and installation folders deleted. So that's great. We have actually freed up 8 gigabytes in our PC. So as you can see, this is a very effective and fast way of cleaning Revit temporary files straight away from Revit. So feel free to check it out and also to check other Revit bottoms in action in our YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoy and thank you very much. Bye-bye.